What are the difference between TIG welding and MIG welding? Sir, both TIG, tungsten inert gas, and MIG, metal inert gas, are types of gas-shielded arc welding, but they differ significantly in their operation and application. The electrode, TIG, uses a non-consumable tungsten electrode. The electrode creates the arc, but does not melt into the weld. If filler metal is needed, it is added manually by the welder's other hand. MIG uses a consumable wire electrode. The wire acts as both the electrode and the filler metal, and it is automatically fed through the welding torch from a spool. Shielding gas. TIG primarily uses argon or helium, inert gases, to protect the weld pool from atmospheric contamination. MIG uses argon for non-ferrous metals, MIG, or a mixture of CO2 and argon for carbon steel, often called MAG, metal active gas. Precision and speed. TIG, it is a slow, high-precision process. It produces very clean, high-quality welds with no slag or spatter. MIG, it is a fast, high-productivity process. It is much easier to learn and allows for long, continuous welds. Marine application. TIG, we use TIG on board for specialized repairs such as thin-walled stainless steel pipes, aluminum components, or root passes in high-pressure piping. MIG is less common for on-deck repairs because the shielding gas can be easily blown away by the wind, but it is used in shipyards for large-scale hull fabrication.